Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this awesome shoes rack, how it looks and how you can fit this shoes rack. Its model number is MP-A1-4 and you can fit easily in your home, and it's awesome product if you're looking for a folding shoes rack. Check it out this guys and enjoy watching this video and step by step follow this process how to fit this shoes rack easily at home. Okay, here is shoes rack. Now we're gonna open this box and see what's inside the box. See, you can see lots of material inside it. It's full material made of plastics and metal corner. You can get everything needed. Okay, first of all we put everything in a correct row and then we start step by step fitting process. Okay, now you can fit like this. This is the first step. Follow the same process according to video. It's very easy to fit. Put that lock on the corner of square plates. Put that rectangular plates over the locks. And again put 4 locks on the corner. Like this, if you follow the process, like this, keep following the process. This hammer is used to tight locks if it's loose. Now I'm making second step. Process is same like before. All the steps are same. You need to just follow the process like in this video. Okay, now it's time for restore. You can put all the door like this. Slightly press the rod on the lock. You need to slightly press for better fitting. Now the fitting process has been completed. You can see its final look. You can open the door like this and close all the door like this. You can put 2 pairs of shoes on each steps. You can carry it anywhere you like. It's very easy to carry. You can buy this product from Pokhara Global Stores. The link is given below on the details. If you want to buy this product, you can call us or visit our website. Our number is 98466 35891. Thank you so much for watching.